Alright, both of these are 2011 800 RZRs. That one there just had a DMC dual exhaust set put up on it. And over here we have stock. Go ahead and crank that one up, baby. Alright, that was a stock setup. Now we'll let you see what the DMC sounds like with the duals. Okay, now you'll notice the straps on the back of there. That's just to hold the pipes up for now because we don't have the bolts in it yet. But I know people like comparisons, so there's a DMC duals versus stock.